So we're gonna be slaying on some wigs for today's video. Like, I received a very beautiful kind of blonde wig and I'm not sure what I want to do with it, so I just decided probably we're gonna, you know, go through the process of coloring the wig. So that's what we're gonna do today. You guys are gonna watch me slay this wig. Like, we're gonna do it together. It's a pure blonde, like 613 blonde, and this hair is from Hjweavebeauty. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. So I have like three bundles of hair and a lace closure. Life is so simple when you cornrow your hair, you guys. Like, I've really been enjoying my hair like this. Just, you know, put it on a cornrow. So I love doing my coloring video in the kitchen, and I love to use a center aisle, this center aisle right here, and I like to just use something to cover it because it's white. So I love to use kind of a tablecloth, since we're going to be dealing with color. You don't want to have color all over your kitchen table, so that's why I love to go in with a tablecloth and just cover up my kitchen table. Okay, so like I said earlier, we're using Hjweavebeauty hair for this tutorial, and as you all can see, I have three bundles of their Brazilian body wave in 24 inches. So this one is 24 inches, and I also have a closure, and this one is 20 inches. And this hair is so soft to touch. Like, you guys, it's so silky, so soft. And to color the hair, I'm going to be using 4 bottles of Adore Carbon Spice hair color. So this is kind of an orange color. I didn't want to mix too many colors. I love to mix my color and conditioner together, because while you're coloring the hair, it also helps a lot in, you know, making the hair to retain its moisture. It kind of conditions it while, you know, helping color the hair. So I'm thinking of dyeing the root of this hair black, so I decided to pick up this Silk Element color, and I have their dye in color 1. So I'm going to be using this color right here on the root of my closure. I'm going in with the conditioner first. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my color. I don't think I'm going to finish the three bottles. I'm just going to mix everything together. So I love to wet the hair a little bit. You know, wetting the hair just helps a lot in like keeping the whole strands of the hair all together while you're putting in the color. And then I'll start going in to apply the color all over the hair. Okay, so once I'm done saturating the color all over the hair, I'm going to go in with a foul paper, and this is going to help with the processing of the hair. I love to leave it on for like 3 to 4 hours so it will all process. Okay, so for the closure, I'm going to go in with my Silk Element. So this is the second step. I'm going to shake it and then add the quantity I want inside this bowl right here. I'll go in with the third step, which is the color. Once I've got the whole thing, I'm going to go in and mix them together. And while you're applying it, I'm always, you know, trying to be careful so I don't get it on the line. Because as you all can see, the frontal already has a natural line to it. So I'm careful so I don't apply the color on the line. I'm just going ahead, opening it up just to make sure the color gets in everywhere. Alright, so now I'm going to begin depositing the orange on the closure. When I'm applying it, I'm also taking the orange all the way to the dark color, because you don't want to have any blonde color showing in between the black and the orange. So I'm taking it all the way into the black color. I'm still going to go in with a foil paper and use it to wrap the closure. I'm going to leave this on for 3 to 4 hours so that everything will process. So I washed it off after exactly 4 hours, and this is what it's giving us, you guys. Like, this is exactly the color I was going for. It's kind of a burnt orange color. I really do love the color I achieved. This is exactly how the closure looks, and this is the bundles, and I'm really loving the color, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this into a wig. And you guys, like, you've seen a couple of my wig making tutorials, so I'm gonna leave a card in this video so you can check that out. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this into a wig, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are, day 2 of this wig making. Like, you guys, I finished bleaching and also making the wig yesterday, and I'm so in love with this wig, you guys. Like, I love the fact that up here is kind of dark, and then as you all can see, it's kind of, you know, it came out kind of a highlight, you know. Up here is dark, which is kind of an ombre, and then if you come at the back, you have like kind of, you know, little highlights of dark wine, and then we also have the orange color. So I'm really happy with the way the wig came out. I'm gonna go ahead now and apply my wig cap just to cover up my hair. We're just simply gonna, you know, curl this hair, because I was thinking maybe I leave it like straight, maybe I straight it out and that would be it. But on a second thought, I was like, it's too full. You know, I used 3 bundles and a closure, and the hair really came out very full. So I was thinking it's not going to be nice. It's probably going to look too full. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly coil it. After all the bleaching and, you know, coloring and everything, it's still very soft, very silky and soft to touch. So what do you guys think? This is the hair on its natural state. Like, just after I colored it, this is exactly how it looks. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and coil it, and the first thing I will do is to apply a hair oil. I'm just gonna deposit maybe like few drops of the oil on my palm and massage it all over the hair. One thing I noticed with this hair is, in terms of shedding, it didn't quite shed. Like, whenever I finger comb it, I probably see maybe 1 or 2 strands of hair, which is not bad. I'm gonna start coiling, and I'll be using this coiling wand right here. I'm not really sure where I bought this. I think this is from Amazon, from Coty 4-in-1 coiling wand, and I'm using this barrel right here. I'm not sure the measurement of this barrel. This is what I'm going to use to curl my hair. I'm trying to quickly curl this hair but like, I don't want it to be too big or too small. Like, I'm sectioning it in medium sizes. I'm loving this black and orange vibe going on here. Yes! I really do love this hair, you guys. I'm just simply gonna finger comb it. You know what, I wasn't really feeling this black, you know, when I dyed the blonde hair, but for some reason I'm really loving the fact that, you know, we have kind of black here and then the rest of the hair is orange. I'm just going to define my pattern with a concealer. Girl, I had to go put on some makeup because you know I cannot carry last. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please check out my description box if you want any information regarding Hjweavebeauty weave in my description box. So definitely try and check that out. And yes, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and till my next one, I will see you all very, very soon.